Which is my 3 names, and I'm the fucking wolf.
You know I'm crazy.
Shout out Pluto. I wrote all these songs from my fucking heart. When I was young, my mom said, son, this life is a road. So take it as far as it will go. See your dreams flash by right before your eyes. Dreams will fade, son. Dreams will fade out. Dreams will fade, son. Dreams will fade out. Dreams will fade, son. They'll fade into the night. Felt like love at my first sight. I made her on my mind, but she met with another guy. Came back to what my mama said. She said, son, one day your dreams might be dead. Dreams will fade, son. Dreams will fade out. Dreams will fade, son. Dreams will fade, son. Dreams will fade out. Dreams will fade, son. Fade into the fucking night. When shows at local bars, sun is sunny, it's a time. See my dreams flash by, right before my eyes. I'm coming up on the edge of this life. And I'm swimming up, swimming up just to survive. Oh, dreams will fade, son. Dreams will fade out. Dreams will fade, son. They'll fade into the night. I'm alright, I'm okay. Sing it. I'm alright, I'm okay. I'm alright, I'm okay. Dreams will fade. Alright, I'm okay. Dreams will fade.
Yo, Gigi!
Turn it up! Hey, how many feeling? Yeah, so follow your dreams. No matter what you're doing in life, whatever passion drives you to the next day, fucking wake the fuck up and do that shit. Okay? I fucking love every one of you, even though I don't know you. That's what true love is. The not knowing. Thank you guys. I got a full set for you, motherfuckers, so I hope y'all like the start of it. Shout out my boy Ghost. Still looking crazy. I fucking love you, and this is your song, my G. I see you standing there, floating above the surface. You're the ghost of my past, I can't see the thing that wants to be. I wanna be with you. I'm the walking dead, wanna not feel these days. Back out my eyes and caught my wrist. I wanna remember feeling like this, because this is how my story went. Death will come easily. I'll burn my life until I see the ghost of my past looking at me. I wanna be dead, I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. You're the speck of light, you shine so bright. You remind me of the worlds I've lost in this life. The darkness inside wants to take over me, because this is truly who I could be. The hardest part is a misery. Look into the mirror, tell me what do you see? I'm just a ghost that can't be seen, and death is just a part of me. I'm living in this broken things. Haunted the past of my broken dreams. I'm running these halls, but I can't see these four walls. They control on me. Keep living the same damn thing. What's up, kid? You're the speck of light, you shine so bright. You remind me of the ones that I lost in the sky. The darkness inside wants to take over me. Because this is truly how I could be. The hardest part is it lives in me. Unbutton the shirt, look into a mirror, tell me, what do you see? Tell me, what do you see? Nothing. I love you, crazy. Thank you for being here for me, my team. Shout out, crazy. Oh.